So this is very important, people, and understand that I'm doing these videos on this channel because they temporarily have me suspended on my other channel. You need to go check that channel out. It's titled Eternal Flame, or labeled Eternal Flame of Christ. This is the Wormwood series, and understanding how it's impacting the earth. So when I was shown all these things when the comet Atlas appeared, God revealed Matthew chapter 13:17 to me. He told me to go to this to understand the things that he was showing me and the things that I would see and hear and understand that others would not. So that's very important. And that he showed me that Atlas was actually wormwood. And this is important in this entire series. You have to follow the entire series to understand how I show that Atlas was actually wormwood, the comet, the star that falls from heaven. Very important. So, realize that now, and this can be seen on this channel that I had, and if you see this video, you'll see that I prophesied about Theta, this variant, over a year before it occurred, and also about Delta. This variant. Understand. Now God reveals himself and all that is to come through the word, because just as John chapter 1 verse 1 states, he is the word. He reveals the things that are coming and the things that are to be. He revealed these things to me ahead of time. So if you go to my other channel, you will see that I made a video about the Hurricane Cristobal that was coming and its importance, and see that the Hurricane Theta had came also. Realize this. And that the Hurricane Delta had also come. And see that we are now dealing with Delta as the most important variable in today's times, but also Theta. I revealed this over a year ago, but it was revealed to me by God when Hurricane Cristobal, and you need to understand what this video reveals, what I showed in this video in my other channel, what this word actually means. This is all very important, people. God reveals things through his weather patterns. This is why the Pleiades that are mentioned in Job 38:31 and a few other places in Scripture is so very important. These sisters, the Pleiades, are extremely important. They are known as the 7 water sisters. Everything I've taught. The 7 water sisters that control the storms and the weather patterns. See that they named these storms last year. They gave them Greek names, but then understand that they took these names away after the fact, saying that by doing this, it would create much confusion. Understand that. This is very important. They said this, by naming these hurricane systems Greek names, it would create confusion. But now see that they have given these names to the variants, And the reason they're claiming they've done this is because they say it will eliminate confusion. The reason this has been done, why they took away these Greek names last year from these systems, these storm systems, these waters that are mentioned. Understand what I've taught this series about Revelation chapter 17 verse 15. The reason they took away and removed the names of these storm systems, these water systems, was so you didn't see that God is revealing everything through the Word, because He is the Word. He reveals all things through His Word because He is the Word and the Word is with Him, just as John 1 verse 1 states. He was showing everybody what was coming before it came, Theta and Delta, just as I had revealed over a year before it had even occurred, what He had shown to me, long before it ever had occurred. And you need to check out my other channel. You'll see that everything that has occurred and is occurring, I revealed long before it happened. This is why I did this video titled Cristobal, things that were to occur. Theta, Delta, the variants that were occurring, God had revealed to me, and the water systems. He reveals all in many ways, and He does this through the Word and through the Pleiades that He had unbinded. Understand that. Very important, people. You need to stay in the Word. Check out this channel and the other channel. They have me suspended because I am revealing the truth. And these media giants don't want people to see the truth. This is also why they took these names away from the weather systems that had occurred last year, because they didn't want to see, for people to see that these variants were named exactly the same. Stay in the Holy Bible, people. God bless.